Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an Excel sheet in your Word. So let's get right into it. Once you're in your Word file, head over to the place you want to put your Excel sheet into. Then go to Insert. Once you are there, if you hover on these icons, you can see this icon, and if you click on it, it will show you an option Object. You have to click on it, and once you are there, click on Create from File, and as you want to insert a specific file, you just have to click on Browse. I haven't already saved my Excel sheet yet. Let me just save it. Save as. I'm saving it in desktop and as book 1. Save. And once it is saved, if I click on Browse and go to desktop and search for book 1, and here click on Insert, then click OK, and you can see my Excel sheet is already inputted, it's already inserted in here. If you want, you can just see it is the same thing that is inserted here. So yeah, it is pretty quick and easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment box, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.